Day 7 of the Stand Store Challenge. I am in a trade, which is why I'm going back and forth looking at the trade. If you're wondering what I'm looking at, just so you know. Stephen Bartlett, John Chu came up with the Stand Store Challenge. I decided to be a part of it for the reason of accountability, so that I would get the Smart Woman Guide to Trading and the Smart Woman Guide to Moving to Mexico completed. After I'd written them and edited them, I am finally completed. I'm excited about what they have in them too, because for the move to Mexico, you will be very excited to know that you don't have to hire somebody to do this for you. I don't like hiring people to fill out paperwork that is not in my native tongue, so that I don't know what is being given. I want to be able to know what I'm sharing and exactly what I need to share with the government. Just by virtue that we are living in a world where at any moment in time, Home Depots are getting raided and the National Guard is being called in because of egos that don't want to give up, egos that find it hard to lose. And we are pawns in that ego's game. The Smart Woman Guide to Moving to Mexico has all of the information that I personally have gone through, also have had to create on my own or gather on my own so that I could move to Mexico legally. And I share all of that with you in the guide. I love the way it's written because it's tongue-in-cheek. It's very edgy and it's very funny. And I love that. The Smart Woman Guide to Trading is similar, although it's a little bit more step-by-step. Just like the Smart Woman Guide to Moving to Mexico, that is step-by-step with screenshots, and it shows you exactly what to put where. Just because you have a link doesn't mean you're going to get it right. Trust me, because I've done it. There are people that you can hire for this, and if you want to pay that extra fee, go ahead. This took me 90 minutes to complete on my own. I do give references and resources inside of the guide so that you are able to contact those people, but I only give you a couple of references that I have used that I recommend. I don't give you references that I don't know, only the people that I used and that I recommend. I also share with you screenshots of step-by-step of how I filled out my paperwork and what to put where, and 2 additional documents the INM gave me that are very important for you to have upon your meeting with the INM to get your residency card. This is super important. Right now I'm in the green, so I'm okay. I'm a little nervous. I had a very rough day trading this morning, and I am in kind of the doldrums because of it. I share with you today the pictures of my birthday. I also share with you the pictures of the photo shoot that was taken on Thursday night before my birthday. These pictures are of all of the people who helped me celebrate, gratitudes for those people who have taken the time to write me beautiful little love notes of thanks. They're just heartfelt. And I think that's super important when you're going through bad days, that you know somebody thought of you and they took the time to write you a note. They took the time to do something kind for you. And those are the people, I have a few of those people in my life, and they are really genuine and real people that I am so grateful that I have in my life. I share also with you today the links in the description below in the bio of the Stand Store and of the new websites that I just built out for the Smart Woman Guide and for Nicole Jolie. I also share all the pictures on that site so that you can see what the site looks like with those pictures. It's really cool. You can go to the site and check it out. The sites load slower on mobile for some reason, so I don't know exactly why, but once I have gained the money, which I'm making in trading, I'm going to hire somebody to redo the site a little bit in the flavor that I want it done, so that it really mimics what I'm portraying. Gratitudes. Gratitudes for all the things that I'm very fortunate to have, including angels on my back, getting down to Mexico, driving over 1,480 miles alone with 2 dogs and a cat. Thanks to all of the people that have celebrated my birthday with me, who barely even knew me, but threw me a party, a surprise party. Nobody has ever done that for me. Not even the boyfriends that I had. I don't think there was one boyfriend who remembered my birthday. Hence the reason I am single for so long. I never have had a surprise birthday, and it was just so great to see everybody there at the table, and I wasn't even expecting it. It was just such a great feeling. I want to say thank you to all those people who showed up. They're amazing friends and really beautiful souls. There's a lot that I've learned from a woman online as well. Her name is Catherine Cameron, and I'm putting it to the universe that I want to work with this woman in a capacity that is going to allow me to level up. I have found her on YouTube. She just came popping into YouTube, and she's given me a whole new way to look at women who are overweight, women who have challenges with eating, women who have challenges with losing weight. She's given me a whole new perspective on that and a whole new way of appreciating that in the way that really needs to be appreciated, even though I never did. I thought it was more of laziness. I thought it was more of gluttony. I thought it was more of, I don't want to do this and I'm too stubborn. And I really love the way that she has talked about her body, the way that she has made her body be part of her whole aura of why she's doing what she's doing. And she has lost a lot of weight too. But her manifestation has just blown me away. This woman has manifested almost $100 million in 5 or 6 years and just blows it out of the water every time she comes out with something. It's so incredible, and I really want to work with her. So I'm putting it out to the universe, even though I don't have even a smidgen of what it would cost to work with her. I'm still putting it out there somehow, some way. I did drive to Mexico on my own, so you never know. In the meantime, my trade is still in the green by a smidge. The candle has 20 minutes left. I've started trading a longer candle and a smaller contract size. And I've done that so that I can scale back and see where I'm making my mistakes, reassess my trading, because I had some really great trading last week. And then I got into this XFA, and this is what happens when I get into these XFAs. I just balls to the wall, and then all of a sudden everything blows up. So I really wanted to find out exactly where I was making my mistakes. Today I'd made a few mistakes, not good ones at all. And I'm waiting to see what's going to happen with this candle, where I put my entry, and how I'm really making this to come out to be an excellent income source for myself, in addition to a way to show people how I have been trading and share how I've created my plans each week. My goal is to get to 2,500 subscribers on YouTube so that I can share my plans and how I make my plans on a weekly basis with those people who really want to learn how to trade. This is more of a community where I show you how I'm getting to the end result, which is $1 million a year in trading profits. And that's the goal. I want to get out of the doing and into the being a little bit more. Taking the action is great, but it does become a little bit much after a while when you just want a break. And I definitely want a break from this to be able to get myself in the space of recapping what I've just done and how to make it better, which is why I've scaled back on my trading to a few contracts, just 2 or 3, as opposed to the 5 or 10 that I've been doing. I want to be able to really hone in and get better at my trading so that I have less losses and more wins. And my losses that I do have are less than 0.68. That's really where I want to be. I hope you enjoyed this video with all the pictures and all the eye candy so that you are able to keep yourself from scrolling. Even though that's a disease that some people say they need drugs for, it's really not. You just take the phone and you go like this, you go, oh, and you go, oh, and you put it down. It's so simple. And you don't pick it up. That's how you focus. Very simple. Just put it down, turn it off, put it down, put it in a drawer, do whatever you have to do, leave it alone. And that's how I get my day done. I just put it away. But right now I'm in a trade, which is why you see me looking back and forth. And I'm at a break-even point right now. And it's 15 minutes left in this candle. I'm going to ride out this candle, see what happens. It is lunchtime reversal. So my intention here is to go the opposite way on a short. We'll see if that works. I will let you know in the next video. Make sure you go to the link in the description, take a look at the Smart Woman Guide, the Stand Store, go and get yourself the Smart Woman Guide to Trading bundle with the Guide to Mexico. You can get them both. And you get a free 30-minute call with me when I can schedule that in my calendar. And we talk about your move to Mexico. We also talk about your trading, and that is it. We talk about your move to Mexico. We talk about your trading and how to get things done. And if you have questions about the guide, and that's what we talk about. I say you can ask me anything about the content in the guides and how it relates to you. That's what we can talk about. In the meantime, have a great time today doing whatever you're doing. I hope you enjoyed all these pictures and all this eye candy. I will see you on the next video.